Good morning. My name is Jair Hernandez. I study system engineering at the University of UNAD. I am 34 years old. I am from Bogota City. I work in National Police, Colombia. My experience on tribe with my family. At the beginning of the year 2019, I was on vacation in a municipality called Guarinosito, a very hot place. We bathed in a river. We also visited several very beautiful natural places. My recommendation related on the place described. Number one, it is necessary to wear sunscreen. Number two, it is a very good idea to hydrate with plenty of water. And number three, it is recommended to wear warm weather clothing. Thank you very much. Bye.